Hello everyone, this is Netherite Cartman here, doing a unboxing of, as you can see, the Afma Mystery Memeow's Mystery Plush. And it said that it was £10, but it was actually £7.50, so I bargain! And as you can probably tell from me focusing here, I'm going to try to find where to open this thing. Oh, I think I found it. That was easy. Or not. Because there's sellotape instead. Well, as well. Sellotape as well. The box is pretty cool, because it got little ears. Not much, but yeah. Now, most likely not be one of those musical intro things for this video, and there won't be any for a while because I haven't got one prepared. But yeah. Needed to do a quick check on something. As you can see there, there's still quite a bit of sellotape left. Light bulb, just a moment. Scissors. Be careful with scissors, because obviously sharp. But I know what I'm doing. And most people are like, but dude, when people are like, I know what I'm doing, it's the thing they say just before something bad happens. But I honestly do know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna end up cutting myself. Because come on. I'm not that sort of person. I try to make my information as accurate as possible. Alright. That's all the sellotape that I need to get done. Now, so far there's the diamond. I don't know which one that is. And same on the other side. Now, don't know if you can read that. Yeah, you can. Plastic bags can be dangerous to avoid. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Don't worry, this will never get in the hands of some pretty silly child. And before anyone tries to assume, there's no way to know who I'm talking about. I got this one. I think that's the, I don't even know. But as you can see, has the Afma whole thing here. Whatever. this little plushie. And that'll be all for it. Bye. This is just an added bit. This is an added bit because I didn't realize there was this thing in the box because I didn't see. So, yeah, I got the sun cat. It's this one, and I took it off after the thing. So there's the moon cat, the sapphire cat, emerald cat, diamond cat, rainbow cat, and ruby cat, as well as the galaxy cat left. Moon, sapphire, emerald, diamond, galaxy, ruby, and rainbow. Now, so far, as you can see from the top left, we've just got a common. The commons are the emerald, sapphire, moon, sun, galaxy, and ruby cats. The diamond is uncommon, and the rainbow is rare. Decently good for my first start. And that'll be the final clip, unless there's anything else that I need to show, which I don't think there is. Bye.